Do you guys ever wonder what my life looks like outside of the studio, outside of the beauty tutorials? Well, today you guys are gonna get a sneak peek of what a full freaking day of founder PatrickStarrr and influencer PatrickStarrr is like.
Makeup is a one-size-fits-all!
I'm incredibly proud of all the hard work that you guys have put in. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Do you guys see what's in front of me right now? This is the One Size 2024 yearbook. And today we have a lot going on. So I was like, let me vlog today. This is not an everyday thing, but it's kind of like a special occasion. And I used to do like vlogs on vlogs back in the day, but I was like, let me just kind of like bring it back. So here's what we're doing. We're gonna do a one size employee office yearbook party. Nobody knows what's happening. So we have catering coming, we have ice cream, all the employees, we're gonna do like a yearbook signing activity. It's about to be lunch. So I did a quick makeup look and we're gonna go there. And then after the yearbook lunch, I'm gonna come back and get fully glam for the LA Fashion Awards. I have never been. The LA Fashion Awards. I got invited and I am gonna be representing fashion, whatever you think that is. But I thought it'd be really cool to give you guys a sneak peek behind the scenes of what my life looks like nowadays. It is very different than just going on beauty brand trips. It's actually running a business, making appearances, and involving you guys, because that's what I love at the end of the day, and that's how I got here. So without further ado, let's head to the office and let's have some fun.
So today, as interim founder, we're having a surprise event today. It's such a surprise that I don't even know what it is. So I have no idea why we're here. Because like the communication here is incredible. Like it's so incredible. Like I have no clue what I'm doing or what's going on today.
Are we ready? By the way, guys, I'm gonna give a little bit of a preview update. Our office is gonna be done in June. So like, look at all this interior design choices, like all the books and the materials. We just got final confirmation that all of our furniture and installation is gonna be happening in the next like month. So all of May, things are gonna start coming together, coming in. Installation happens in June, and then we'll do a big office reveal. So that's like cool that I'm able to say this in this vlog because you guys get to kind of see everything start to come to life with the brand in the office. Nobody knows what is happening today, so I thought it would be cute to have like a little yearbook lunch party to celebrate 2024 for those that were in the company, and also the newbies that started after 2024 get to kind of see the company values that we've all shared here at the company. So I'm excited. I hope this gives you guys like a nice sneak peek. Also, comment down below if you guys were to work at One Size, what department would you work in? Would you work in sales, finance, social media, the influencer team, PR? Let me know. Shout out to our amazing designer, Tyler. Tell us about your design choices and inspiration.
I was really just inspired by all of the like amazing work that you guys have done over the past year. It seems like 2024 was such a huge
He's looking at it for the first time. He hasn't seen a physical copy.
I love just how sleek everything turned out as well.
I love it. I'm excited. Come to the office to get your meet and greet sign here for the yearbook.
So hello everyone, my name is Chelsea. I work with Team Star. I'm the Experience and Design Coordinator. I put this together for you guys because Patrick has a very special surprise. He ordered everyone yearbooks to recap of 2024. Yeah, so you guys enjoy, have fun. This day is for you to celebrate you guys and all of your accomplishments in 2024.
I'm incredibly proud of all the hard work that you guys have put in. I know we're working and working and working, but it's really cool that we get like little moments like this when we get to come together and share and make memories, not for just our consumers and our viewers, but for each other. So this is like a little token of appreciation from Team Star and also the One Size team and the budget approval from Christina. So we have beautiful like stickers so we can sign and have like that high school nostalgia to sign each other's yearbook.
money at one side. This is nicer than my high school yearbook. No one figured out where I went to high school, but anyways, this is much nicer.
The first signature of the day.
I feel like I'm gonna write people tags. Stay cool. Hope we have class next semester.
Can I do some chocolate? Oh my god. Who is this gorgeous
Oh my God, she's
models?
so hot.
Both of these models are so
She's
wow.
so hot. This one.
Wow.
Guys, I am here with Pin the Turban on the Founder. We're gonna blindfold everyone and they're gonna pick up a turban and try to pin it on Patrick's head. So yeah, this will be a fun game. Jose just realized
I'm screaming. I am dead. This is our founder, girl. This is our founder.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, those are balloons! Wait, where?
Spin around.
That's really good. No, it's not. Oh my god! That's not good.
Makeup is a one-size-fits-all.
All right, you guys. What a fun, nostalgic kind of like day by doing the yearbooks. Everybody was literally like signing and signing and signing. It's been like a 2-hour lunch, but I think it's important, you know, as a founder to make sure that we're like celebrating the team and each other, and also to bring you guys in for the ride. I love it. I have to go to the LA Fashion Awards now, so I have to run and get home. I should be getting ready like literally now, but we ran a little bit late. I'm gonna go ahead and go home, do content, change up this beat, and turn up the bass. But shout out to the One Size team. I love you guys so much. You guys, we went from doing regular glam in the morning to doing the yearbook party to now jumping back in here to getting ready for the fashion awards. And look at how much makeup I am wearing. They're honoring Tyra Banks. Brad Goreski is also being honored. Alex Mayo, Lizzo's makeup artist. I'm so excited, and I'm also really nervous because I haven't been to a red carpet in so long. And for the first time, Jose will be my +1. And I also want to introduce you to the characters of this kind of like reality show vibe, because when I was watching the Coachella vlog, it was kind of giving like reality show with the quality. It's giving a little too HD for me, okay? But I also want to introduce Juan here. He's a part of the social media team, so he helps me out. The new girl.
The new girl in town.
How is it?
It's been fabulous. It's been amazing. It's been a wild roller coaster.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, it's great to be a part of a top 3 brand, you know?
With the #1 product, though.
In the
How was the yearbook party for you?
The yearbook party was so cute, you know, especially because, like, we wanted to give the high school nostalgic feeling, and it really was because I'm the new girl in town, and people were asking to sign my yearbook. So it was super cute. It was super welcoming, and it was really, like, you know, really nice to be a part of an appreciative moment like that.
Mm-hmm. What would you say to the viewers out there of what they might not know about working on the PatrickStarrr team?
They wouldn't know how crazy and how much work it actually is, and how much effort has to be put into it, because baby, it's not as easy as it looks. A lot of people want it, but can a lot of people do it? I think it's a little bit of everything, because PatrickStarrr isn't just PatrickStarrr. PatrickStarrr is a founder and the beauty influencer, you know? So you gotta learn you gotta be able to do it all.
Let me send that Venmo real quick. Can you tease them where we might be going in the next kind of trip and vlog for PSTARRR? You tease them. You reveal.
Well, you know, I love apples. I love pizza. And I really, really don't like rats.
Can you guys guess where we're going next? The whole team might be going in a few weeks, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna finish my glam, throw on the turban, get dressed, and I'll see you guys when we're about to get in the car. Otto said, I want to see you in your element. I said, be careful what you wish for. Jose, how do you feel to be going to your first red carpet event with star-studded celebrities?
I feel fine. I don't really know what to expect. I think that's why I'm not nervous, because I've never really been to like an award show. I mean, I've seen Patrick on the red carpet before. I've never like actually been in the mayhem of it all.
Mayhem, abracadabra. Aldo, how do you feel being on this side of the Patrick? He's been doing experience and operations, you guys. He's been Jose's right hand.
You know what? Honestly, every day is an adventure, and I never know what's gonna happen. And every day's a movie. So I love that fact that you vlog everything, because I feel like I've been working here for 3 years.
What would people not expect behind the scenes that I may not have shown?
I don't think people realize how funny and chill Patrick is, and just like his schedule is crazy.
And something that you may not know about the team, we treat it like with so much culture and laughs. We have a lot of like rooted values. I've never really said it online, but we are laughing so much behind the scenes. And we honestly get along, so I hope it shows in our videos. So whenever I come on the red carpet, I always think of like who I'm representing, what I'm representing, and also representing my brand One Size, that it's for everybody. So to be in full glam and beautiful earrings. Oh, by the way, shout out to Landon Rivera. This is what I'm wearing on the screen. Shout out to everybody. I love you guys, and let's kill it on the red carpet with Jose. Hi guys, we're here at the Beverly Hills Hotel. I'm a vlog on TikTok, but I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, look, Jose's here. The girls are here. How gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you.
This is amazing.
Thank you. It's Kai, Lorenzo Zagazi, Alexis Batar, and Kylie Fragrant. Who are you wearing?
I am wearing. What are you wearing? Santi Allen.
Sante. No, it's Sante.
I'm wearing that.
How was it, Jose? How was your experience? Look at your shoes, girl.
I think your shoes sum up the night. Patrick was standing talking, and I just hear, and I was like, what was that noise?
Why
and
was it giving Dallas
goes,
like Coachella?
I broke my heel.
Girl, why? And you know what? Why did Landon get me them shoes?
Don't do Landon like that.
Landon, why you get me these
Landon
shoes?
did not get
No, those are my
shoes.
shoes from ASOS.
These are older than me.
Shut the hell up, girl. And if you were to tell the girls where your outfit was from today, where were you gonna say? it was
Oh,
from?
Landon styled me today.
Yes. It's gorgeous.
Put me in lovely callejones. Uy.
Let's just have like a code word. If there's like any celebrities, and Jose kept saying the code word, and I was like, who? And what? And then Tara was like, hey, hi. And I was like, oh my god. Beverly Johnson, the first black supermodel on Vogue, did a beautiful intro. Oh my god, Chaperone was there. Jose was pulling her hair. Jose was right behind her. I don't know if you guys can see. It was like, oh, who was in front of us? It was Selma Blair, Betsy Johnson. Chaperone was a beautiful stylist, and Chaperone was next to her.
And Hailey Bieber.
Jen Atkin, and then Alex Mayo and Lizzo. That was the front row. And why were we in the second row? Betsy is 82 years old, and she did a split. That was crazy. Oh my god, these zippers. I wanted to unzip one of them so bad. But I just knew if one went down, it would have just busted open. Guys, can you believe this is a day in the life of a founder and beauty influencer CEO? We did the yearbook party earlier. We had this. How crazy is this? And how lucky are we to be doing this? And look, Jose got my slippers. These are my favorite slippers ever. They sell out all the time. These are by Bombas. These are the Sunday slipper. Shout out to Ash for recommending these. She did a sponsorship, but she was talking about the socks. And I was like, oh, let me see about these Bamba socks. No, this slipper, I cannot tell you guys. I want to get them for the team, but they keep selling out. They are so comfortable. Bombas, please sponsor me. Like, I need more of these. And they keep selling out of this one. It's so good. They are pricey, but it's so comfortable. It's like little clouds. And these clouds already got squished. Oh my God, who put this here? You gonna eat that? What a beautiful freaking day. This vlog was probably all over the freaking place, but to start the day off with my one size team and celebrate the Messiah yearbooks, and then to go to a beautiful event with Jose from Pomona, California. Yeah. Are you okay?
You know, this is my leftovers from the yearbook party.
He said, I was like, oh, do you want a little bit of Taco Bell or Wendy's? He's like, I want to eat healthy. I have leftover Olive Garden. What? We had fun. Peter, how was it sitting out on this red carpet?
I loved it.
Oh.
You did?
Yeah.
Ah.
It was nice being at home.
Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for a day in the life. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. What is your favorite thing about let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to make it a one size fits all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. All the times we share together as we go. I don't know the rest of the words.